So, you just went to Groove.cm and you signed up for a free account. Now it's time to learn more about the product, services, and company. Read through the page, navigate the website, take a look at all of the information we've got there. There's some videos there that will help guide you through our website. Next, keep an eye on your email for more resources. We'll be sending you some daily lessons that are incredibly helpful in getting you up to speed on using Groove. You'll also want to keep an eye out for your login access to Groove Digital Academy. There's a lot of great additional information on how to use all of our software there. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/GrooveDigital. I particularly recommend clicking through to our video playlists and finding the walkthrough series. Finally, make sure to join us in our private Facebook community for networking, interaction, and live streams. We'll also be posting ongoing announcements and resources. For now, though, make sure to log into Groove and just explore. I'll see you inside.